One of the biggest problems of any discrete factories is that they run at less than 60% productivity. The reason is they don't have good tools to monitor and control their operations.
From the moment we install our solution, we manage to predict 70% of the repairs before they happen. It enables the operators to become much more proactive and try to fix the problem ahead of time.
By creating this transparency effect to the performance and addressing the inefficiencies that our platform highlighted, the customer could improve his productivity substantially in a matter of days.
Here at Hadera Paper, we've already prevented multiple equipment failures, most of which would have led to full production lines shutdown.
Traditional manufacturers worldwide increasingly implement Industry 4.0 technologies, which dramatically improve production and cut costs, but will also change the future of jobs and future of economies everywhere.